In this short video, I'll guide you on how to reactivate your Instagram account if you've temporarily deactivated it and are ready to come back. Have you ever missed engaging with your followers, sharing memories, or staying updated with your favorite accounts? If your Instagram account is deactivated, reactivating it can bring you back to the social world without losing any of your valuable content or connections. Many users who followed this process have returned seamlessly to their Instagram profiles and picked up right where they left off, just like you never left. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate issues like how to deactivate and reactivate Instagram accounts. Now, let's get started on how to reactivate Instagram profile in just a few simple steps. To start, open the Instagram app or visit the Instagram website on your browser. Log in with your username, email, or phone number associated with your account. Then, enter your password. If you've temporarily deactivated your account, logging in again will automatically reactivate it. It's that simple. If you forgot your password, tap on the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Follow the prompts to reset it, then use the new password to log in and reactivate your account. Once you're logged in, your profile, messages, drafts, and all other data will be fully restored, just as they were before deactivation. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to reactivate Instagram account after temporary deletion. If logging in doesn't work, visit Instagram's Help Center and navigate to Account Recovery. There, you can submit a request to Instagram to reactivate your account. Provide the necessary details, such as your email or username, and follow the instructions sent to your email. Instagram will guide you through the process to regain access. But what if you want to hide your IG profile picture? No worries, in this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to lock your Instagram profile picture. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.